Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're watching my videos for the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to get notified every time I upload a video, and welcome to the family. For those of you that are already subscribed, welcome back. So today I have for you 3 beautiful glam DIYs. A full list of all the items used on these DIYs will be listed in the description box below. So this first project, it will be a mirror table runner. Let's get right into it. So the first thing that we're gonna do is flip the mirrors to the side that we'll be gluing, and we start placing them in a diagonal shape, and the pattern will go as follows: 2 mirrors and then 3 mirrors, total 9 in the center, and then 2 mirrors at the end. The key here is to align 4 corners on each side of the table runner. So to make sure 100% that they are aligned and it looks beautiful, I went ahead and tried with the ruler, so if there is anything off, this is your chance to move it. Then we go ahead and apply E6000 where every mirror meets. You don't have to remove the back end or the stickers off because it won't show anyway, so that's a plus because this is very hard to get off. And then once we apply E6000 all over the mirrors, now we take the craft sticks, and using hot glue, we're gonna go ahead and place a little craft stick everywhere where there is a space in between the foam pads. Once that's completed, I wanna make sure that it doesn't scratch the furniture, so I go ahead and add these felt pads. They are from the Dollar Tree as well, so I'm gonna be using 4 of them. Finally, we take the clear gems and we'll be placing them on every corner like a triangle shape. So we place 1 in the center and then 2 on the sides, like behind it, like facing you. And we repeat this until all the corners are filled with gems. And here's the final result, you guys. This is so beautiful. It's such a statement piece on my dining room. It looks simple but beautiful. The gemstones definitely go with the chandelier that I have. And I love how this design, this pattern is like a subway tile kind of, but like more modern. And I've been looking for mirror table runners and they're so expensive. They're like $40. This one only costs less than $15 to make, and it looks so beautiful. It will go well on my coffee table as well. Comment below and let me know, guys, if you like it on the dining room table or if you would like to see it on a coffee table. On this first DIY, my inspiration was 2 channels that I came across. One is Dazzling Designs by Denise and LGQUEEN Home Decor. I'm gonna list their channels below in the description box, so make sure to check them out and show some love. So moving on to DIY number 2, you will need a tray from the party section, clear gems. I'm actually using leftovers from the other DIY, 2 square mirrors, a diamond wrap, hot glue, and a scissor. First we take the gems and we start gluing them on the handles, and we will just follow this pattern. So we're gonna do 1 and then 2 on the front, always facing you. So we repeat this pattern until the whole handle is full of gems, and then we'll do it on the other side. In this case, I went ahead and removed the pads from the mirrors, otherwise I wasn't gonna glue to the tray. And using hot glue, we go ahead and glue the mirrors to the tray. Finally, we take the diamond wrap and we'll go ahead and measure it and glue it just to the sides. And this is it. We just finished our second DIY. I feel like this is such a statement piece and it's so beautiful as an entryway table mirror tray. I mean, the uses to these are endless. I think it will look beautiful in a bathroom where you put the soap, or also as a vanity perfume tray since it has so much bling and glam. Now for DIY number 3, we're gonna need 3 of these round flower bases, 6 of these clear candle holders, diamond wrap, and hot glue and glue E6000. So on this one, we go ahead and apply glue to the end of the candle holder, and we place the other one on top. So now we made the one with the 2 tiers. Now we go ahead and repeat this process to the one with the 3 tiers. The only thing is when you get to the second one, you're gonna add 1 more. And then finally, with the one with 1 tier, I just went ahead and glued the round base So we repeat that with the other ones. When you're gluing them together, just make sure that all the lines on each candle holder is aligned while it's wet, so that way if it's not, you can go ahead and fix it. Next, we take the diamond wrap and we're just gonna place it on the bottom of each candle holder. Guys, just so you know, for video purposes, I'm using the hot glue, but I won't recommend that if you're gonna use this a lot. And for durability, I would recommend using E6000 or the Fix All glue that the Dollar Tree carries. And here it is. It was so easy to make and they look so expensive. I mean, each one of these will cost you from $6.99 and up. And with only $9, we were able to make 3 of them. And they look amazing, glam, simple but beautiful. Adding these candles from the Dollar Tree as well. They are just beautiful. They come already with sparkle and they add so much more glam to the candle holders itself. I am very happy with the final result. Comment below, guys, also, and let me know if you'll be trying these. And this is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for the love and support. I love you guys, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified when I upload a next video. Have a blessed day. Ciao.